Hey, it's Mike from Forex Trading. So how to make $800, and you can do it in two ways. The first way is a smart way, okay? So you read the books, you follow different courses, those traders that claim that they have 10 and 15 years of experience, but what really they are is marketers at the market. So how you differentiate the guy who really knows how to fight? Well, that's the second way of how to enter the trades, and this is the street smart. This is how the streets is fighting, how you fight on the street. What do you really do? You enter the trade mostly when the market is going down. This is the first advice, okay? Market going down, you enter the trade. When somebody's on the ground already and there's 2 or 3 guys fighting him, it's not a spectacular win, but if you join that fight and you are up and he is down, what I'm trying to tell you, this is the most easy spots to join the fight when somebody's already winning it and the guy is going down or he's already on the floor and there's 2-3 guys above him. That's what's happening here in this trade. So I'm showing you a live trade on a live account that I've been trading recently, okay? It's one of the brokers. You don't need to know which brokers it is or what's really happening here. I'm just trying to show you how you do $200, $300, $500, $600 trades. So how to pick up $800 as simple as $1,000 from the market whenever it's just going to be 3 days like I'm going to show you right now, or it's just going to be a couple of weeks of time, okay? So let's start with it, okay? This is a repeated winning pattern. You see, something important happened here as well, a little bit higher. So these are the patterns. This is what I'm trading. Actually, the first trade, which was much more interesting money-wise, this is the pattern. You see the shadows? This is the shadows. So market is showing that something went down and people are kicking it down. You see, this is what market is showing. It's kicking it down here as well. You could join the market here. You could join market still here, okay? But this is the profit-taking moment. And then the kickers, the people who fight it to get it still down on the floor, they're right here, and it's maybe it's in the middle of the night, maybe it's 8 a.m., maybe it's 8 p.m., okay? It doesn't matter. Those moments are happening at different markets. You see, this is similar case, like we have case number 1 here. This is a case number 1 similar, and this is just charts from last 12 hours, last 6 hours. This is oil chart, and this is S&P 500 chart. So we're talking about very different instruments. I'm just missing a crypto here that you're gonna meet in our course, okay? If you want to get explored what's happening in the market, if you don't have it yet, you can download for free. Go to forextrading.com, go to free course, get the free crash course worth $300, or by the chance, if you're watching it a few weeks or a few months later, maybe it's already worth $1,000 because I'm adding a material there. So you can see some new trades, you can see some other stuff, you can see how you can check about the professional trading course, because this is what I'm showing is just few tips how you can meet those repeated patterns, you see. So shortly speaking, getting to the point, look what's happening here, okay? Half of this is a take profit, by the way, okay? This is the stop loss. So when the trade is going up, it's going to get stopped out here. It's pretty wide, okay? But the profit of $500, the market gets here. It doesn't have to get there all the way down. It's middle of the night right now. I mean, like 9 p.m. So it's going to be soon middle of the night. So I want to leave this trade open, go to sleep, that the market works with me, for me, and it's going to reach this point or some other lower point. If it's going to reach here, great, it's going to close. If it's going to reach here, I'm going to close it in the morning unless it's going to go aggressively lower, okay? And the same happens multiple times in different variations. You see this point here with this shadow, this is very similar that happened before. Now I'm jumping all over the place, all over the charts with a different patterns to show you what's happening, but this is the simple way, okay? You don't have to go that far, wait like 2 or 8 hours. Sometimes it's just 30 minutes trade to get your first $300, $500. So there's much more trades happening like this. You see, this is the same pattern that happened here, more or less. This is a profit-taking moment. So the same that happened here, and the market went down, not much. So sometimes it's just gonna give you 20 pips, which with the right volume is $200, okay? This volume that would give you 20 pips would give you $200, for example. And this is much more than 20 pips, by the way, but it's just an example, okay? If you would be doing this trade right here, you would get around $5,000 to $15,000, I'm guessing, with this take profit point, okay? So I'm trying to show you few simple things, how the stuff repeats itself. You see, this is the kickers, this is the market, this is the street fighters kicking the instruments, whatever it is. It could be Bitcoin, it could be S&P 500, it could be oil. What matters when they do taking profit moment and they still kicking in, that's where you come in. That's where you come in, when you see they start to kick in the dude that is on the floor already, okay? It's not the kindness comparison. I know the markets are not the kindest place. It's all about the money, and it's just comparison I'm doing to show you very literally what's happening here at those moments. You see, even at this moment, and here's the taking profit point, like just right here. And if market starts to kicking in these instruments, okay, kicking down, that's what I'm interested in. This is the simplest way to make $800 with these simple trades. Whenever you're gonna do $300, you know, 3 times, or just one trade, $800. I don't really care as long as you're happy with that knowledge. This is what you're getting with a free crash course. You're gonna get in total 12 winning patterns, exactly with the trade examples. You're gonna get free crash course to start with. You're gonna get the broker ideas, who's gonna cheat you and rip you off right from the start, or all those Russian brokers and all the bullshit that is happening in the market. You know, you don't need to go through that unless you really want to lose $10,000 with a wrong broker. Okay, so we're gonna recommend, or you're gonna talk with us at least what not to do. Okay, I don't care where you trade, but for sure don't put your money with some Russians, or, well, there's gonna be few brokers that I'm mentioning that are not legit for sure. Okay, so this is just an example. So get things right this time. Okay, if you're trading since a while, or if you're just starting, so you can get started right away from the right foot, they say. Not only in US, but in my and different countries we say the same. Start with the right foot. Start the day with the right foot. This was Mike. You're gonna see tons of trades examples at our charts. You're gonna see those trades coming in. You're gonna see market repeating all this that I've been showing in this video, and this is just 1 or 2 patterns coming in. We're just focused. This is 1 and 2nd pattern, okay, that I've been focused in this short presentation of what we are been capable of, or what we're doing every day. Because you see, I got only 1, 2, 3, 4 charts open. Why I'm not trading 15 instruments? Because I know how to trade, okay? If this is 30-minute chart, 30-minute chart, I can go to 5-minute charts, and you see those 4 charts will be 8 charts in a simple seconds, okay? So you're gonna learn all that, why you need just 2, 3, 4 instruments that you know really well, and how to trade it, okay? Thank you very much for listening. Go to the website. This is the most valuable. You're gonna find the Facebook group, you're gonna find the YouTube group, you're gonna see our testimonials, what's happening here, what have happened to me last 12, 14 years, how I started to trade in proprietary trading company. So we're talking about the trading firm, how I used to work in the bank before. There's some pictures of me doing this and that, you know, and my life story as well, by the way, if anybody interested in all that, you know. Take care. It was Mike, and I see you around.